Welcome to our review of the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a premium sports watch designed for those who need more than a basic fitness tracker. Whether you're an athlete, an outdoor enthusiast, or just someone looking to keep better track of your daily activities, the Fenix 8 Pro promises to meet your needs. Let's dive into its key features, strengths, and a few potential drawbacks. Durability and battery life. One of the Fenix 8 Pro's standout features is its durability. Built with rugged materials, this watch is designed to withstand harsh conditions. It can handle extreme temperatures, moisture, and general wear and tear, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. Whether you're hiking through tough terrain or braving severe weather, this watch is made to last. Another major benefit is its impressive battery life. The Fenix 8 Pro can last several days on a single charge, which is a significant advantage for those engaged in long activities or who prefer less frequent recharging. With features like GPS tracking and workout monitoring, the watch offers extended usage without quickly depleting the battery. This means you can focus more on your activities and less on charging. Features. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is loaded with features designed for both fitness enthusiasts and adventurers. One of its core strengths is the built-in GPS. This feature provides precise tracking for activities such as running, cycling, and hiking, with detailed route mapping. This is especially useful for those who explore unfamiliar areas or want to monitor their performance with accuracy. Heart rate monitoring is another crucial feature. The Fenix 8 Pro offers real-time heart rate data, which helps users understand their fitness levels, optimize training, and track recovery. This real-time data allows you to manage your workout intensity and overall health more effectively. The watch also includes a range of activity tracking modes, from basic step counting and calorie tracking to advanced sleep monitoring. This versatility makes it suitable not only for athletes but also for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. The sleep tracking feature provides insights into rest patterns, enhancing its role as a health tool. For serious athletes, the Fenix 8 Pro offers advanced metrics such as VO2 max, recovery time, and training load. These features cater to those who aim to improve their performance and track detailed health statistics, supporting various aspects of fitness whether you're training intensely or managing daily health. Battery life differences. The Fenix 8 Pro comes in two versions, a standard model and a solar model. The solar version is designed to offer longer battery life by recharging through sunlight. While this feature can extend operational time, its effectiveness depends on sun exposure. In practice, solar charging might not always meet expectations, especially in low-light conditions. The standard model, though it lacks solar charging, still provides excellent battery life. It performs reliably under normal conditions, though it may not achieve the extended duration of the solar version. Choosing between the two depends on your specific needs and how much benefit you expect from solar charging. Conclusion. In summary, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is a highly capable sports watch that excels in durability, battery life, and features. Whether you opt for the standard or solar version, you'll get robust GPS functionality, heart rate monitoring, and comprehensive activity tracking. The solar version offers the promise of extended battery life, although its performance can vary.